I want to get rich from day trading. I'm only 17 years old and I didn't earn a single dime yet. I've been documenting my whole journey online and I didn't earn a single dime. This is week number 13 of trying to get my first payout from day trading at 17 years old. If you're just tuning in, check out my other videos right here. It's my whole journey I documented right here, so check it out. I post my journey weekly on YouTube, but if you want to check me out daily, make sure you check out my socials down in the description below, my TikTok and my Instagram. If you haven't watched every single video and you just want a recap of my whole journey, it's right here. And if you want a recap of last week, it's right here. This recap right here, last week, it explains why I'm so happy and so hyped for this upcoming week. All we need is one more dub to pass this eval account, and then we gonna run it up, bruh. We gonna get this payout soon, bruh. Without further ado, I know you can't wait, so let's just get into it. Day number 58 is trying to get my first payout from day trading at 17 years old. And today we ended up making $900 and passing our eval account. Let's go, bruh. I told y'all boys I'm back, bruh. After this shutdown, I'm back, bruh. I told y'all boys I'm gonna show y'all something. And we gonna get this payout real soon. So make sure y'all stay tuned. But today, we took a total of 2 trades, 1 dub, and then 1 break-even trade. But coming in, we was definitely looking bullish. We definitely wanted price to go up, and we was definitely looking for a long. So that was my mindset coming in. And price retraced to this 5-minute Ferrari gap down here. It respected it. So then I was looking for a long then. I would have entered right here. I would have entered right here. Boom, put my stop below here, and then get a quick little dub. And I would have passed the account right here. But I won't have my phone at the moment, so I had to enter all the way up here. I kind of forced it a little bit, but I only risked 1 mini on this. So if I would have risked 3 minis on this, I would have passed it because this was like, yeah, I would have passed it. I would have made like more than I needed, and I would have passed the account. But I only risked one. I could have sworn I picked three though, but it's whatever. So we just dragged our stop to break even. We got stopped out. And then Price was low key consolidating. I was low key ready to hop off the charts because price action was just looking not the best. But then price started getting bearish volume to the downside, and we had a 15-minute fair value gap all down here. So I was like, okay, hold on, okay. Price might do something. So I was looking, price, boom, inverse this, boom, change the state, and then retested it. And then I was like, okay, I'm in. This is gonna be a good trade. So we risked 3 minis on this, tight stop loss, and then we just trying to just target until we can get that $500. And we got it pretty quick. So that's pretty much it though. We got a quick little dub and tomorrow, well the day after tomorrow because tomorrow is a bank holiday. Tomorrow, the day after tomorrow, we gonna be on a sim funded account and we gonna get right. And we gonna get this payout real soon, but y'all stay tuned. I just lost $1,000 today day trading. I ain't gonna lie, I forgot it was Veterans Day and I took 2 bad trades. Well, one was decent trade, but the other one was bad. And I forgot it was a bank holiday today. So if I would have remembered, I would have never traded today. I would have not even hopped on the charts. But let's go ahead and get into it. So coming in, I definitely want to price to reach London high up here. So I was looking for a long setup. Price came up. I was looking for um price to come up here and then retest an order block, fill this for value gap, and break it above higher. But it didn't do that. It just went down and just consolidated. So I looked for another entry model and I had a inverse for value gap right here. And then I had a retest of an order block. So then I entered right here, just targeting this high up here, not London highs. And we ended up getting stopped out. So then my bias shifted and I just wanted to go with the flow kinda. And this was when I forced the trade. This was the bad trade. The second trade I took of the day. This was the bad trade because I didn't even have no clear setup for real. I just traded just to trade, and we ended up getting stopped out on this too. But a total of $1,000 lost today. And of course, I take bad trades when it counts. This is the sim funded phase. We just passed the eval yesterday, so this is the sim funded today, and we already down $1,000. But we for sure gonna get this back though. This ain't really none. I'm gonna for sure get this back. We ain't blowing this account, bro. We ended up blowing our account today. We took 2 trades and 2 L's, 2 bad trades, and it's nobody's fault but my own. We got day number 60. I'm trying to get my first payout from day trading at 17 years old. And on our second month of trading, day number 60, we ended up blowing our account. I ain't gonna lie, I always blow the accounts because of me and my own greed and me taking bad trades. And lately, I've been taking bad trades and just, I don't know why, bro. It's like I'm not necessarily focused on the money. I just want to win, but I don't show that I want to win by following my plan and strategy. I don't know, bro. But this is it's getting to me, bro. But we definitely gonna do better. We definitely gonna learn from this, and we not gonna keep blowing our money, keep blowing accounts. We definitely gonna get this payout soon. And then once we get that one payout, it's gonna be up from there. But coming in, I was looking bullish. I wanted price to sweep this low right here, and I was just looking for an entry model, and it gave me that price respected this fair value gap right here, closed above, and then I was and just targeted 1 to 1, and we got stopped out by the tick, and then price came up into our profit, and then went back down. And in this trade, I forced the second trade I forced just trying to get my loss back from the first trade that I lost. And it was just a bad trade. It didn't go in our direction at all. Just straight to our stop loss, and we ended up losing, blowing our account. So we got to get another eval account tomorrow, and we gonna hopefully take good trades, take good setups, and run it up. Well, that wraps up week number 13 of trying to get my first payout from day trading at 17 years old. What am I doing? We passed the eval account. We took 2 good trades last week to get up to the eval. We took a good trade to pass the eval, and then we go and take 2 bad trades just to blow the account. I over risked it. I was just focused on the money, and I paid the price. The lesson I learned from this week: focus on execution and not the money. Because every time I focus on the money, I in turn lose the money. But when I focus on the execution, I low-key get the money. So I just need to focus on execution, taking the right trades. Looks like this series is gonna go on way longer than I expected, but I'm all for it, because fairy ain't an option, and I'm definitely gonna keep with it. But y'all boys stay tuned for more, because we post them weekly, man. We not gonna give up, man. Make sure you check out this video right here, and peace out.